Hey, Bunie.
Hey, Kay. Are you hungry or thirsty?
Both. I want a calm cafe or small restaurant.
Same. I want a cozy place, not too loud.
Great. Let's go to that place on the corner.
The one with the big window?
Yes, I like the light. I can see the street.
Me too. I like to people watch.
Okay, let's walk.
It is warm today,
Yeah, I feel a little tired, but a coffee will help.
and some food will help too.
True. I did not eat much today.
Then we should order something real, not just a snack.
Deal.
Wow, it smells good here.
I smell bread and coffee.
And I hear soft music. Nice.
The place looks clean.
The tables are cute. I like the plants.
Let's get a table first.
Do you want a table by the window?
Yes, please. I like window seats.
Okay, let's sit here.
Perfect. The chairs are comfy.
I will take my jacket off.
Go ahead. I'll put my bag here.
A waiter's coming.
Hi there. Welcome. Table for two? Yes, please. Great. Here are your menus.
Thank you.
Would you like still water or sparkling water? Still water, please.
Still water for me too.
Sure. I'll be right back. This menu is big.
Yeah. Do you want cafe food or restaurant food?
I want something simple. Maybe a sandwich or pasta.
I want something warm. Maybe soup or rice.
There is a soup of the day.
Let me see. Tomato soup.
That sounds good. It is safe.
Yes, and there is grilled chicken with rice.
That is a good meal.
I also see a salad, but I do not want salad today.
Same. I want comfort food.
For drinks, do you want coffee or tea?
Coffee. I want an iced latte.
I want a hot latte. I feel cold inside.
Cold inside.
Like, I want something warm.
Got it.
Do you want dessert?
Maybe. Let's see after we eat.
Good plan.
Also, I want to practice ordering nicely.
Yes, let's speak clearly.
When the waiter comes, we can order step by step.
Okay.
Okay, here's your water. Are you ready to order? Almost. Can we ask a few questions? Of course.
What do you recommend?
Our grilled chicken bowl is popular. The tomato soup is also nice today. Is the chicken spicy? Not spicy. It is mild. Great.
Is the soup creamy or light?
It is creamy but not heavy.
Nice. And do you have oat milk?
Yes, we do.
Great.
For the iced latte, can I get less sugar? Yes, we can make it with no syrup. Perfect.
One more question. How big is the chicken bowl?
It is a good size. Most people are full after it.
Okay, I think I'm ready.
Me too. What can I bid for you? I would like one grilled chicken bowl, please. Great. Any changes? Can I get extra rice, please? Sure, extra rice.
And I would like the tomato soup, please.
Would you like bread with it?
Yes, please.
Great. For drinks? I will have an iced latte with oat milk, no syrup, please. Got it.
I will have a hot latte with oat milk, please.
Perfect. Anything else? Not yet, thank you.
Thank you.
My pleasure. I will bring your drinks soon. Nice. That was smooth.
Yes, clear and polite.
Now we wait.
While we wait, tell me about your day.
Okay. My day was busy. I had many small tasks.
Like what?
Emails, meetings, and a lot of waiting.
Waiting is the worst.
Yes, I waited for replies.
I hate that. I like quick answers.
Same, but today was slow.
My day was also busy, but in a different way.
Tell me.
I cleaned my room and organized my desk.
That is nice. How does it feel now?
It feels open. I can breathe.
I love that feeling.
I also threw away old papers.
Good job. I keep too many papers.
Me too. But I asked myself, do I need this?
And the answer was no.
Yes, many times it was no.
I should do that this weekend.
Do it. It feels good.
Do you like this place so far?
Yes, it is calm, not too noisy.
I agree. The music is soft.
And the people here are quiet.
I see someone working on a laptop.
And someone reading a book.
This is my kind of place.
Same.
Here are your drinks. One iced latte, one hot latte. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy. Wow, it looks good.
My latte smells amazing.
Cheers.
Cheers.
This is refreshing.
Mine is warm and smooth.
I like oat milk.
Me too. It tastes soft.
Do you want to try mine?
Sure, just a sip.
Here.
Oh, it is nice. Not too sweet.
Yes, no syrup.
Good choice.
Do you want me to try yours?
Yes,
Very cozy.
exactly. Cozy coffee.
Okay, now we relax.
Let's talk about cafe and restaurant words.
Like what?
Like menu, order, bill, tip.
And table for two.
Yes, and can I get or I would like.
Also, could we have? It is polite.
And do you have for questions.
Do you have oat milk? Great example.
Also extra, like extra rice.
Yes,
And no plus something, like no syrup.
good.
I think these phrases are very useful.
Totally. We can use them in real life.
Let's make mini practice with each other.
Okay.
Kay, you are the waiter.
Okay. Hi, welcome. How many people?
Table for two, please.
Right this way. Here are your menus.
Thank you. Can I ask a question?
Of course.
What do you recommend?
I recommend the chicken bowl. It is popular.
Great. I would like one chicken bowl, please.
Any changes?
No onions, please.
Sure, no onions.
And can I get a hot tea?
Yes. What kind of tea?
Green tea, please.
Great. Anything else?
That's all. Thank you.
Perfect.
Nice.
Now you be the waiter.
Okay.
Hi, welcome.
Hi. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like the tomato soup, please.
Would you like bread with it?
Yes, please. And can I get a glass of water?
Still or sparkling?
Still, please.
Great. Anything to drink?
I will have an iced coffee.
Any sugar?
No sugar, please.
Okay. I will bring it soon.
Great.
Very good. Clear and easy.
I feel more confident.
Me too.
Sometimes I feel nervous in a new place.
Same. But simple lines help.
Yes, short sentences are best.
Also, speaking slowly helps.
True, and smiling helps.
Yes, a smile is friendly.
I think the food will come soon.
I am hungry now.
Me too.
While we wait, let's talk about problems at a cafe.
Like what?
Like, this is not what I ordered.
Or, my coffee is cold.
Or, can I change my order?
Or, excuse me, can we get the bill?
Yes.
Also, can you split the bill?
That one is important.
Yes, sometimes friends want to pay separately.
Or, can we pay by card?
Good.
Some places only take cash.
True.
Also, is service included?
Great question.
Okay, let's practice a small problem.
Sure.
I will be Kay and you be Bunie?
I will be Kay and you be Bunie. That is normal.
Okay, I will be Bunie, you be Kay.
Okay.
Excuse me, I think this drink is not mine.
Oh, really? What did you order?
I ordered a hot latte, but this is iced.
Okay, let's tell the waiter.
Excuse me?
Yes?
Sorry, I ordered a hot latte, but this is iced.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. I would change it right away.
Thank you.
See? Polite and simple.
Yes, I'm sorry and thank you.
Also, no problem.
Good. Another problem, the food is too salty.
That is hard. But we can say it is a little salty.
Or can I have more water, please?
Yes. Or can I get a side of sauce?
True.
Or can I get a box for takeaway?
Yes. Can I get a to-go box?
Good.
In some places, they say takeaway.
Yes. Can I get it to go?
Great. Here is your tomato soup and bread, and here is the grilled chicken bowl.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
Wow, this looks really good.
The soup is hot. Perfect.
I like the smell of grilled chicken.
I like the bread. It looks fresh.
Okay, let's eat.
Wait, let's take a photo first.
A photo? Yes, just one quick photo.
Okay, quick.
Done.
Now we eat.
The soup is creamy and smooth.
Nice. My chicken is tender.
The bread is warm.
I like the rice. It is soft.
Can I try one bite?
Sure. Here.
Thank you. Wow, it is tasty.
Do you want more?
No, just one bite.
Okay.
Do you want to try the soup?
Yes, a small spoon.
Here.
Good. It is not too heavy.
Yes, it is perfect for today.
This is a good lunch.
I agree.
While we eat, we can talk slowly.
Yes, let's keep it simple.
Okay. What do you like about cafes?
I like the smell. I like the calm feeling.
Me too. I like the warm lights.
I also like the sound of cups and plates.
That sound is nice.
It feels like a little break.
Yes, a break from work.
Do you prefer cafes or restaurants?
Cafes for relaxing, restaurants for dinners.
Same. Cafes are for time. Restaurants are for meals.
Good line.
Thanks.
What do you think about eating alone?
I think it is okay. Sometimes it is peaceful.
I agree. I eat alone sometimes.
When I eat alone, I can think.
And I can read.
Yes,
But eating with a friend is more fun.
for sure.
Also, we can practice English together.
Yes, like now.
Exactly. Bunie, how is your food?
It is great. The chicken is juicy.
Nice. How is your soup?
Very good. It is warm and rich.
Are you full?
Not yet. I will finish this.
I will finish mine too.
The bread is so good.
I like bread with soup,
Me too. It is a perfect pair.
like coffee and dessert.
Speaking of dessert, should we get something?
Maybe yes. Let's look at the dessert menu.
There is a dessert page here.
I see cheesecake, chocolate cake, and cookies.
I want cheesecake.
I want something chocolate.
We can share.
Good idea. One cheesecake, one chocolate cake, and we share.
That sounds fun.
Or we can get one dessert only.
I want both.
Okay, let's do two and share.
Yay!
But we should finish our food first.
Yes, let's finish.
I am almost done.
Me too.
This meal is filling.
I feel happy.
Food helps my mood.
Same.
Sometimes when I'm stressed, I want warm food.
Me too. Soup is comfort.
Yes.
Okay, I'm done.
Me too. Ready for dessert.
Yes.
Excuse me.
Yes? How is everything?
It is great, thank you.
The soup is very good. I'm glad to hear that. Would you like anything else?
Yes, we would like dessert.
Sure. What would you like? One slice of cheesecake, please. Okay.
And one slice of chocolate cake, please.
Great. 2 forks?
Yes, please.
Thank you. You're welcome. I'll bring it soon.
Nice.
I love dessert.
Me too, but I try to not eat too much sugar.
Same, but today is a special day
Why is it special?
because we're together and we are relaxing.
That is a good reason.
Also, we worked hard this week,
True.
so we can treat ourselves.
Deal.
While we wait for dessert, let's talk about paying.
Okay.
Do you usually pay by card?
Yes, I use my card.
Me too. Sometimes I use cash.
In small cafes, cash is easier.
Also tips.
Yes, in some places, tips are normal.
In some places, service is included.
So we can ask, is service included?
Yes,
Or we can check the bill.
exactly.
Another thing is splitting the bill.
Yes, we can say, can we split the bill?
Or separate checks, please.
That one sounds very natural.
Yes.
Also, if we want to pay together, we can say, I'll pay.
Or it's on me.
That sounds friendly.
Yes, it's on me.
Or if we want to share, let's split it.
Good.
Sometimes friends fight to pay.
Yeah. No, I will pay.
No, I will pay.
That is funny.
But today we can split.
Sure, we can split.
Okay, here are your desserts, cheesecake and chocolate cake.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
Wow, they look amazing.
The cheesecake is so pretty.
The chocolate cake looks rich.
Let's share.
Okay, I will cut this.
I will cut mine. Here, try the chocolate cake.
Okay. It is very chocolate.
Good.
Now you try the cheesecake.
Okay. Smooth and sweet.
Yes, it melts in my mouth.
I like it.
This is a happy moment.
Yes.
Do you want more coffee?
Maybe not. I'm okay.
I'm okay too.
Let's just enjoy dessert slowly.
Yes.
Kay, what do you do when you don't understand the menu?
I ask questions. I say, what is this?
Or, what does this mean?
Yes, or can you explain this dish?
Good.
Also, I can point and say, this one please.
That is helpful.
And I can say, is it spicy or is it sweet?
Yes.
Or does it have nuts?
Important for allergies.
Exactly.
We can also say, I'm allergic to.
Like, I'm allergic to peanuts.
Yes.
Or no dairy, please.
Great.
Or no meat.
Yes.
Today was easy because the menu was clear.
True.
And the waiter was helpful.
Yes. A kind waiter makes a big difference.
I agree.
Sometimes in busy places, the staff is rushed.
Yes, and they speak fast.
Then we can say, sorry, can you say that again?
Or, can you speak more slowly, please?
Yes, very useful.
Also, could you repeat that?
Great.
And we can say, thank you for your patience.
That is very polite.
Yes.
Okay, I am almost done with dessert.
Me too. I am full now.
Same, very full.
But happy.
Happy and calm.
So, what is our next plan?
Maybe a short walk.
Yes, a walk is good after food.
Or we can sit a little more.
Let's sit 5 more minutes.
Okay,
Kay, why don't you tell me something?
what is it?
I feel proud of my English today.
Me too. We spoke clearly.
And we used polite lines.
Yes, I would like and can I get?
And we asked questions.
Yes.
Also, I like when we correct mistakes softly.
Like how?
Like if someone says, I want 1 soup, we can say, I would like a soup.
Or I would like the soup.
Yes, it's more natural.
Also, a soup is not always right because soup can be uncountable.
Right. Better, I would like the tomato soup.
Good.
And for I want, it is okay, but I would like is more polite.
Yes.
But for close friends, I want is okay.
True.
In a restaurant, I would like is safer.
Yes.
Also, another small thing, can I have is also polite.
Yes.
Like, can I have the bill, please?
Exactly.
Or, can we get 2 forks, please?
Great.
Okay, I think we are ready to pay.
Yes, let's ask for the bill.
Excuse me,
Yes?
could we have the bill, please?
Of course. Would you like to pay together or separately? Separately, please.
Yes, separate checks, please.
No problem. I will bring them. Great.
That was easy.
Yes, separate checks, please.
Very useful line.
If we pay together, we can say together, please.
Right.
Okay, now we wait again.
Waiting again.
But it's okay.
Yes, we're relaxed.
Here are your checks. Take your time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let me check mine.
Me too.
Chicken bowl and iced latte. Correct.
Soup, hot latte, cheesecake. Correct.
Do you want to add a tip?
Yes, a small tip.
Me too.
Okay, I will pay by card.
Same. Excuse me. Yes?
Can I pay by card, please?
Yes, I will bring the card machine. Same for me, please. Sure. Some places bring the machine to the table.
Yes, it is fast.
Some places take your card.
I do not like that.
Me neither. I like to see it.
Same.
Here you go. Please tap or insert your card.
Okay. Done.
Thank you. My turn. Done. Great. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You too.
Thank you.
Okay, we can leave.
Let's not forget our bags.
Yes, I have my phone, wallet, keys.
I have my bag.
Great.
That was a good cafe meal.
Yes, I enjoyed it.
Should we go outside?
Yes, the air will feel nice.
Let's go.
Wow, the street looks bright.
The sun is still up.
Nice.
So, what did we learn today?
We practiced real cafe and restaurant English.
We ordered food and drinks.
We asked questions.
We fixed a small problem.
We asked for the bill.
And we paid by card.
Yes.
Most important, we used polite lines.
Like, I would like.
And, can I get?
And could we have?
And, excuse me.
Simple and powerful.
Also, we stayed calm.
Yes, calm English is good English.
I like that.
Me too.
Okay, let's take that walk now.
Yes, slow walk.
And next time we can try a new place.
Maybe a new restaurant.
Or a bakery.
Oh, I love bakeries.
Me too.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.